Hi, I I come to display my final activity. Let's go. About me, my personal information. My full name is Carla Valentina Bermeo. I'm from Florencia, Caquetá. I'm 92 years old. My email address is carlavalentina2003@gmail.com. I'm a student and accounting assistant. I live in Florencia, Caquetá. Next. My city. My city, Florencia, Caquetá. The weather is hot and humid. It is the green here and the Golden Gate of the Colombian Amazon. Next. My hobbies are I like to listen to music of Ray Thiago and Bruno Mars. I love to cook cakes for my family. I play video games. My favorite is GTA 5. And I like to watch my favorite series on Netflix is Stranger Things. My positive and negative qualities. Positive, I'm calm, creative, intelligent, keen and polite. Negative, I'm competitive, dominant and strict. My daily routine. I usually wake up 8 o'clock. On weekdays, take a shower, brush my teeth, get dressed, have breakfast in the kitchen at 9 o'clock, and then go to my brother's office. Then we go to the gym together at 11 o'clock. I go to work and I have lunch at 12:30 p.m. My family always has lunch at 2 o'clock. Then I get home very tired from such a hard day. I take a shower and then I read my favorite book. Then I cook two sandwiches for dinner and go to bed to watch my favorite Netflix series. I finally sleep at 11 o'clock because I have to 8 hours because of my migraine condition. A significant person in your life, I choose my brother, Jason Bermeo. My older brother is Jason Bermeo Delgado. He is 29 years old. He is a laggard. His skin color is brown. He is tall, thin. His hair is black and short. He's older than me by 10 years. His personality is very different from mine. He is introverted, but sometimes he is funny, bipolar, impatient, perfectionist, and competitive. We understand each other sometimes because of how much we share. Share some experience. My experience hobby that made me very happy was when we traveled as a family to a town in Ibagué called Onda, which has its story. We were at the Magdalena River Museum. We took pictures and entered a water park. We laughed, played soccer. Then we had a dinner and shared stories about that family. That day I forgot every time. I was very happy. Experience sad. A very sad experience for my life was in July of last year. They got my news that my favorite uncle was dead from the COVID-19 virus. I feel this devastated and really bad. I cried all day. I I called speed, and I had to tell my father that his brother had died. Uh, 5:30 p.m. on July 10th, they were days of terror for the Berman family. We still miss we still miss him, and we continue to visit him. Dreams and future plans. After graduating, I will be good teacher in the school in the city. I will also study Italian and French. I love learning language. I want to travel to Italy and many other countries. Getting married or having children is not in my plans for the future. Of my short-term goals are to have my own business, then have my own house and car, help my parents with every time I can because then I am the best version of myself. Thank you for pay attention.